Okay, guys. Vocabulary. What do you call a group of animals? A herd of, a flock of, a school of, a pack of, a swarm of. Okay, for this one, fish. A school of fish. For fish, for sheep, and deer are the same in the singular and the plural form. Okay, so remember that. This one, we have different species, so it's the only way you can use fishes. So a school of fishes, a school of dolphins, a school of whales, a herd of cows, a herd of deer. Why? Remember, for fish, for sheep, and deer are the same in the singular and plural form. Let's practice. How do you call this group of elephants? Do you remember? Right, a herd of elephants. What about this one? Birds. A flock of birds. What about this one? A flock of. Another similar one. The same, a flock of. This one, how do you call this group of dogs? A pack of dogs. Remember, a pack. This this group of wolves? Yes, a pack of wolves. What about this one? Bees. It's a swarm of bees. Bees. Ants. The same, a swarm of ants.